morning, animal friends, and we're at our first pickup. We have a couple lawnmowers and a vacuum cleaner.
Good morning. Got a little Viking
Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute?
electric mower.
All right, and that one there.
Big one here.
Great. Thank you so much for your donation, and I'll get the vacuum cleaner. Okay, we're at our next stop, and there's the door that we're picking up. So thank you so much for your donation.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, our next stop, we have a barbecue. So Ron's going to try and he's taking that off. That is good stuff to take off. There we go. It's a barbecue day today, and we're very, very busy today. We have lots and lots of pickups to do.
Might have to end up being part of tomorrow.
Well, we'll have to see what's going to happen there with that. And there's our wall. There's our wall, building our wall. We need our wall. Do you want me to hold that up for you? Okay. Oh, this is in the way. That was in the, yeah, that's in the way. In there. Oh.
Push this down.
God. Well, on our way to a pickup, we came across a washing machine. Oh no. Someone's not having a good morning. That's a bonus. That's a bonus on the way. Thank you. Well, thanks for that. Thank you so much. Okay, we're at our next stop here, and oh my, look at what we have. We have a sink, metal recycling, sharp things. Oh, what's all in there? Let's see what's in there. Sharp things. He says sharp. Okay, sharp things. Let's go in and have a peek. I don't know exactly what all that is, but okay. Thank you very much. And look at this. We have another sink, and I don't know what that big piece of thing is, but it's quite big. Thank you so much for your donation. Thank you. Wow. He's taking that apart because he can get more money with it off. Isn't that right, Ron?
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's taking that apart. It's all those little pieces. They all add up. And Timmy. What you doing in there, eh? Oh, don't you go on this? Okay, hang on. Mom's gonna come in. Okay, we're at another stop, and this is what we have here. What is all this here? Let's see here. Oh, what is this? What is that, Ron? What is that?
That's an air conditioner. That's worth money.
Okay,
Get
well,
the rads out, the copper, the sealed unit.
yeah, all that.
All good. Look at this in here. Just take a look at this in
Okay,
here.
what is all?
Look.
Oh my goodness me.
My God.
Even I know that copper. Thank you so much for
Wow.
your donation. Oh my goodness. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is a biggie. Thank you. Okay, we're at our next location, and we have, oh boy, we have a smoker, barbecue kind of smoker thing. But thank you for your donation. Thank you. Okay, we're at our next stop. And there's 2 barbecues here. So we thank you for that. And there's a puppy dog there that's just going really, really, really just saying hello. 2 barbecues here. Thank you. Thank you.